The first time I saw this problem, I panicked. I have no idea how to solve this one. Let me show you how I figured out question number 25. If k minus x is a factor of the expression negative x squared plus 1/29th nk squared, where n and k are constants and k is greater than 0, what's the value of n? We're going to come back to this k is greater than 0, but it's actually giving me a humongous clue. Now, I don't want to write it as k minus x. I'm just going to change it to negative x plus k. And the reason I'm doing that, you don't have to do that, but I really prefer to have the x first, just like when I FOIL. Now, I know I'm going to have to multiply it by another term, and I know that term is going to equal this guy up here. Now, look, my first term is negative x squared, which means this term is going to have to be an x. But what's this term going to be? I don't know. But I recognize something really cool. There's no middle term. Anytime I FOIL, I get a first, outer, inner, and a last. And if I just start this, I'll get negative x squared. Well, that's exactly what I'm looking for. An inner term, kx. And now I'm thinking, since I don't want an inner term, I'm going to have to get negative kx. How do I get minus kx? I have to do plus k, because k times negative x is minus kx. Then I'm going to do plus k squared. These middle terms cancel out, and I'm left with negative x squared plus k squared. What does that equal? Well, that equals my top term, negative x squared plus 1/29th nk squared. Now I can cancel out the x's on both sides, and I see that k squared is equal to 1/29th nk squared. Now, I want to divide both sides by k squared. I'm allowed to do that because I was told that k is greater than 0, so I'm definitely not dividing by 0. I'm left with 1 equals 1/29th times n. I can get n by itself by multiplying both sides by 29. 29 is equal to n. D is the best answer on this ridiculous question. Great work and happy studying.